soft dirt over here. Very soft dirt. Got this old floor mat out. Got the new Huskies. Went ahead and put that one in. I haven't got the other side in yet, but I'll put this side in next. Easy day. So I got these floor mats installed here in the back compartment. I went with the Huskies because that's what I got in the Dodge, and they fit very nicely. So we got those in there, and over here we've got the Huskies up front as well, both sides. Very simple install. I like them. Like them a lot. Dodge looking good. Grass needing cut. You know what we're gonna do tomorrow. Cut some grass. Got us another one. Old Jeep fanatics. They love towing these things. What am I gonna do? Pick him up and drop him off over here and get him back? Took him back. So I've got this thing buttoned back up. Just gonna trim the skid plate. Pick up some trash. It'll all be good. Everything's heat shrink. Spliced together. I was gonna use solder, but he handed me everything he wanted me to use, so that's what we used. Got this thing all hooked up here. Left turn. Running lights, right turn. Brakes. Everything works good. Plug and play. No cutting, no splicing. Some chicken sizzling. Spam over here, just tossed it on. It's starting to sizzle too. Time to stir it up now. We'll go ahead and, I got the rice in the house. It's just some leftover rice, and that's the best way to make your fried rice, is use that leftover rice from the night before or 2 nights before. It's not really a big deal, but and some eggs already scrambled up. You can scramble them out here, but I just don't like having to crack them while I'm out here. Just do it in the house. Folks, I am back in the garage, and I've got some more work cut out for me on the old 36 Chevy. So this time, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting in here and snatching the water pump off of it because it's leaking out of the weep hole down in there. Can't really see it, but I got to get the water pump off of it. And over here, he wants something more set up in the rear to increase the ride quality. And there's a few things and a few ways you can do this, but I'm just trying to get him a few options so he knows and he can decide what he wants to do. But it's currently leaf sprung with a gas shock, and he said it'll bottom out if you have a couple of 4 in there, or 2 couples, sorry, and it'll bottom out. But he wants to go ahead and get that changed out, either 4-link it, change it over to a put an airbag in it, just whatever's the easiest and most cost effective for him. That's what he wants to go with. So I'm just over here kind of getting a better look at it so I can shoot him a better price and turnaround date on getting everything done. Went ahead and brought these tires over, wheels and tires for the Tahoe. Had them dismount. I'm gonna drop them off to get powder coated, and then I'll have these remounted onto the wheels that are, or onto the tires that are currently on the Tahoe. I'm getting rid of those wheels. They'll be on the marketplace soon. is I need a haircut. Hair getting a little out of control. And I ain't got a hat in the truck, so what you gonna do? But I'll go ahead and swing by old Jonathan's house, see what he's up to, and see if he needs any help or anything, and just touch bases with him. He just got back from vacation, so it's nice to get away once in a while. Everyone's got to do it. Can't blame him. Folks, picked up Jonathan. Oh, there he is. We got some steaks going, and we had us a successful trip over to the powder coater. Picked up these wheels for the Tahoe, and man, he said it's a spray paint special, but boy, they are wet. Super glossy. I wanted gloss black. He powder coated them up. Dropped them off Friday, picked them up today. They've been done for a few days, but today was the first day I could go pick them up. So less than a week, and I got my wheels back. Can't beat that. Just pulled some steaks off. I ain't never cooked no steaks on a pellet grill, so first time. I have my flat top kind of guy with my steaks. What you think, Jonathan? You think they look good enough for human consumption?
They look pretty good.
They look all right. Drop them. I'd be mad.
About the first thing I ate today, except for this morning at like 7:30. No, they'll smack.
Yes, sir. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and do some edging. Ran it through there once, but I gotta make a lower adjustment because this stuff's still, some of it's out, some of it's not, so I lowered it down one more. Go ahead and do the edging on the driveway, sidewalk over there, and up here around the truck. You can see it's pretty overgrown up there. Go ahead and get that knocked out. That edger made quick work out here on this grass. Once I lowered it to the right setting, pops it right off. Not bad. It's my neighbor's. He said it needs a new blade, but better than the one I got because I don't have one. I just got the weed eater. I ain't bought one yet. Might just run it through another pass right there, but some of this stuff like that, see, it just comes right out without pulling on anything. It just come on out. See, it cut good there. A couple spots, that's just might be user error. I don't really know, but I'm fine with it. Not bad. Got the driveway looking good once I get this stuff cleaned up out here. Nice and edged all the way down and around, both sides. Come on. Man, them lines look crisp, let me tell you. Just getting everything leaf blown after I got done eating dinner, but this is nice. The grass right there came back on the drive. Boy, this is nice. Let me just tell you, I've been wanting to do this, but I didn't even know they had an edger. And then I seen her out there edging, so I was like, let me use that edger. So I went out there and pulled some trees out for them and trade, borrowed the edger. Can't go wrong with that. But I got everything done. Both sides of the drive, the sidewalk. I just was finishing up leaf blowing after dinner. But man, very nice. Very crisp. That light's a little dim. That's too bad. Gotta put a battery in it.